Hey, how's it going? Kevin here, or Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking at Williams Ranch School here in California, Penn Valley, California, near Grass Valley, and got to speak to the kindergarten through fifth graders today about bullying, seeing people for their heart before anything, and it was emotional. There were some students and even some teachers that were in tears after the programs because they're very hard-hitting, but it was a start of healing. And even some other students, that said this really impacted them, that they've been bullied before, but they know that now they have to show kindness to these people that are also hurting inside. Help them see that they're true miracles and that their best friends will always respect them for that no matter what, like the M on our palms. And we see people always as one race human before anything else. Treat people like we treat our best friend, have the courage to stand up for what's right for ourselves and for others, and keep shining our light. So thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to be back again soon to share with you guys. Much love. Peace.